Welcome to our Barclays Bank UAE review. Find product links below. Barclays caters to high net worth individuals, businesses, and expats in the UAE with premium financial solutions and robust wealth management. Seeking exclusive banking benefits and top-tier global support? Look no further. Their Premier and Wealth Management accounts provide personalized financial advice, exclusive investment opportunities, and seamless international transactions, perfect for managing multi-currency needs. Barclaycard credit cards offer competitive rewards, concierge services, travel insurance, and lounge access, ideal for frequent travelers. Barclays' user-friendly online and mobile banking platform provides 24/7 account access, easy bill payments, and secure transactions. Track spending, manage investments, and access financial insights. Dedicated relationship managers provide personalized financial advice, investment strategies, and savings plans. Businesses benefit from corporate banking solutions, including trade finance, foreign exchange, and tailored lending. While Barclays focuses on mid to high-income clients and corporations, those seeking basic, low-fee banking might consider alternatives. If you need sophisticated financial services, global connectivity, and a premium experience, Barclays Bank UAE is a top choice. Learn more in the description below. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more reviews.